Hello everyone, welcome once more to Cooking with Efia. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today we are making bean stew. As you can see, this is authentic Ghana stew, and this stew looks so yummy and very well prepared. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's get started. Alright, so right here I have some black-eyed beans which I'm going to use in this recipe. To that I have some garlic, ginger and some onions as well. I will also need some fresh tomatoes, pepper and some frozen tomatoes as well. And for my seasoning, I will need some all-purpose seasoning, some anise seed and some rosemary. To that I have some stew seasoning powder and some ground cinnamon powder as well. My fermented fish, that is the Kobe and the almighty momone. Yes, this is really going to take the stew to another level. And last but not the least, I will use some smoked mackerel which I've deboned this very well, and everything is nicely washed as well. Okay, so this is my black-eyed beans which I've soaked this for about 30 minutes to get rid of any gas. So I've washed this before soaking it, so no need washing it again. So to that I'll add this to my pot, add some baking soda to it. We're not going to add salt to it right now. We're going to cook until it is 70% done before we add in our sauce. Okay, so into my blender I'll add in all my blended ingredients, that is the spices, the ginger, garlic, pepper and some onions. Add some rosemary and the anise seed to it and blend until this becomes very smooth. So here we are back to check on our beans, and it is about 90% done. So I'll give this a quick stir and just look at how dark it looks. It looks dark because of the baking soda. Yes, just look at that, so soft. So I'll add in my salt now, and I didn't add the salt to the beans because I didn't want this to take long whilst cooking it, and just look at that. So I'll leave this for about 2 to 3 minutes to cook until it is nice and well cooked. Okay, so moving forward, I'll heat up some palm oil, let it heat up for about 1 minute, and add in your fermented fish or your salted fish and your momone, any way you want to call it. Yeah, so this is really going to bring out a very nice smell into your palm oil, which is really going to help the taste of this stew as well. So to that I'll add in my chopped onions, let it steam for about 1 to 2 minutes, and add in the rest of your ingredients. Okay, so we're going to add in our blended ingredients as well. Give this a quick stir and leave this to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes now, and our sauce has really cooked down very well. So I'll add in my tomato paste and my fresh tomatoes as well. Give this a quick stir and let this cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh, the scent this thing is giving me right here, ooh, is something. It smells so good, guys. So right now I'll be adding in my all-purpose seasoning, my stew seasoning powder as well, my ground cinnamon powder and a salty taste. And I added in just a little bit of salt because I already have salt in the beans, so no need added in too much salt. And remember, the salt is always to your taste. So I give this a quick stir and add in my smoked mackerel, which is going to infuse in this stew very well, and it's really going to bring out the best aroma. Yes, I just can't wait to. Guys, this stew was very yummy, and I hope you're going to try this stew at home. And of course, what is Ghana bean stew without some fried plantain? So yes, let's quickly fry some ripe plantain, which we're going to enjoy it alongside with our beans. Yes, so I'll cut my plantain into smaller size, add a pinch of salt to it and a little bit of water, and mix this until everything is nice and well combined. So I've heated some oil, which I'm going to drop in my ripe plantain and let it fry until it turns into the perfect golden brown color we are looking for. So back to check on our stew, and it's been an additional 5 minutes and our stew has cooked very well. Ooh, the aroma this thing is giving me is something else, guys. Try this recipe and thank me later. So I'll give this a quick stir and add in my beans, and guys, ta-da, our bean stew is ready. Yes, Ijani, they are ready. Say they are now on the abani pediani. Yes, yes. So I can't wait to eat this bean stew. It's so yummy. Yes. So let me know in the comment section what you love pairing your bean stew with. Is it with some yam, rice, plantain, any way you want to enjoy it? So today I'll be enjoying this with some fried plantain, and just look at that, the perfect golden brown color I am looking for. So I'm going to set this aside and enjoy my beans with some fried plantain. And if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Yes, so, and if you haven't subscribed as well, please do well to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you all so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.